Well, we have been in operation a full month now. Things are already picking up very well. We got some signs up. Got our lift up out there. We did opt to put it out there so we get full use out of it. Quite a few projects going on. Got a valve job, fixing a starter, and finding the noise. We do got one on a rotisserie over here. We're gonna do some sheet metal work on. Get some holes cut out and put some new sheet metal in there, and cut out a couple holes for the new AC system. That's the mock-up box back there. But this old Thunderbird guy out of Fort Worth wants some rust repair done, some firewall work. We happen to like to do sheet metal fabrication around here. This car actually had to have been in a pretty dry spot because it don't really have much rust. It's usually these trunk pans, this rear body panels are scrap. Usually you usually got to replace all of them, and I mean this car's really solid. Even the steel panels and stuff up here, they're great. They really are. They're just really nice. Got to cover up a seam they had going on. Somebody did some shoddy body work, but yeah, needless to say, this is a alley that we're wanting to go down a little bit here and there, do a little bit more custom work, a little bit more fabrication work. Car's straight though, but shop is coming along. I figured we'd give YouTube and TikTok a good old update, show y'all we did get moved over and we have been operating. It has we got a new door we're gonna put in. Gonna go in this hole somebody cut, but we got a bay back here as well. Did a motor job on this old F-150. Of course they drove it till it locked up. Yeah, you know how much fun that is. We got a couple motors, you know, so a couple 5.3s. That's the motor for the Ford. We got our air compressors running, and we got hot water. We did get a little bathroom facility. We are going to be working on putting up some walls back here. We're going to build an office in this area, and we're going to, of course, you know, close off the bathroom where when you come in, this will be the doorway for it. But I figured everybody would want to see what we got going on. We did get the kitchen somewhat sorted out. We got, turn on the light. We got the grill cleaned enough to cook on. You know, we got the sinks all working. They were non-functional, and the drains weren't hooked up or anything on any of this. We run all new lines, and we got a little prep area going on here. This does work. Nice and cold in there. Somebody took out there. Yeah, that's Kyle's Auto Repair, guys.